Today we're showing you a Kubota L2250 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota BF 400G quick attach front loader. We traded this tractor in from the original owner. It's a very clean little tractor for the age. Has just under 700 hours on it. Top of the hood is not perfect. It's got a couple scuffs and scratches in it, but overall for the age we have a very clean little tractor here. Has a Kubota diesel engine. Current hours here, as you can see, are 684.2. Has the gear transmission, 4 speeds, high-low range over there to the left, and then your forward reverse shuttle right up there by the steering wheel. Has power steering. Just a very clean old tractor. Engine obviously is prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations. If you're looking for a sweet little tractor, this one is going to fit the bill. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. This tractor also is one of our budget-friendly tractors. It is selling as is, where is. If you'd like to take a look at it, please feel free to give us a ring or stop in. There are absolutely no known mechanical issues with the tractor. However, again, it is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is, where is.